the water travel up the paper towel? Here's how it happens. The watercolor travels the paper towel by this thing called capillary action. So do you remember, where does the plants get the water from? That's right, from the roots. So the plants get water from the roots, but it has to travel up the plants against gravity. So it takes the water from the ground and travel it up like how the paper travels. Take the water from the bottom and it travels up. So here you have blue with yellow. When you mix blue and yellow, what did you get?
Green.
That's right. And here you have yellow mixed with red. What did you get?
Orange.
That's great.